I will never join any cause by any other party to that my own party man should leave. I won't do that again because I've seen the implications of it. But it has already happened. But you never know tomorrow. Welcome to the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. This man, Ofori-Atta, whether you love him or not, whether you like him or not, whether he's a cousin of Akufo-Addo or not, this man went for surgery. Most of you don't know. Ofori-Atta went for liver transplant. Liver transplant. People who are in the medical field, they will tell you. And I'm in the medical field, so I can tell you. This man went for liver transplant, and within 4 months, he was still on the floor of Parliament reading budget. I don't know how many of us can do such a thing. Within 4 months, so he had not fully recovered. So if you remember, there was a time he was, when he was coming to that budget, his face was all swollen, in pain. When he was leaving US, where they had a transplant, to come back to Ghana, to come and continue his duties as a finance minister, the doctors advised him against it. In fact, the plane he boarded back to Ghana, doctors had to be in the plane with him to ensure that he is able to stay alive from America back to Ghana. Yet he came down, he went to Parliament, he went to fulfill his duties for this nation. This man is not feeling well. Some people go for liver transplant and even use 2-3 years for recovery, because sometimes the organ that you might even be given, maybe your body will reject it. Yes, mommy, I have moderators. So I think they are around. A baby and all are around. Miss Jane and all are around. Right? Yet this man, within 4 months, he was still back working. Now, it so happens that okay, I will make you. I don't have an issue. Come in. Let me quickly make Queen a moderator, and then we move. Okay. So, Queen, you are a moderator now. So, it so happened that this man, we were going out of office. We had lost 7th December election, and he had to go back to go and continue treatment. He writes a letter to Frima, who was the chief of staff of Nana Akufo-Addo. The letter was received at the presidency on 2nd of January, 2025. Because if you are a government, an appointee of the government, you are traveling, you must make the chief of staff aware of it. Right? So on 2nd January, he wrote to the chief of staff of Akufo-Addo, Frima, that he is going to US to continue his treatment. If there is anything that is needed, contact me on so and so email, so and so address, on so and so phone number. All submitted to the presidency. Then he leaves. When the new chief of staff, who is Julius Debra, came, 22nd January thereabout, I think either 22nd or 2nd February, he writes another letter to John Mahama's chief of staff that I'm in US. If you need me, this is where I am. I'm unable to come back to Ghana now because I am in a hospital. He gives the name of the hospital. The chief of staff of John Mahama says, okay, well noted. If we need you, if we need any information, we will get in touch with you. Then, Kisi Ejaben, Kisi Doolittle. Now his name is Kisi Doolittle. Writes a letter to him that we need you to come and answer certain questions. He replies that I'm not in Ghana. Chief of staff is aware. I'm receiving treatment. When I'm done, I will come. I might have a surgery in March. So maybe if you want to talk with me, maybe it will be towards the ending of March or early April. I'll be back. Kisi Yabe replies him that Kisi Jaben cannot rely on what Ofori-Atta is saying. So either he comes back now or he's going to deal with him. Now, Ofori-Atta makes the hospital, Mayo Clinic, and those of us who are in the medical field, most of the research we do and all those things, Mayo Clinic is an authority when it comes to medicine. Mayo Clinic, which is a hospital taking care of Ofori-Atta, writes to Kisi Jaben with their letterhead, official email, and everything that this man, yes, Aspiring Homemaker just confirmed, yes, very reputable research hospital, yes, writes to Kisi Doolittle that Ofori-Atta is with us. We are still monitoring his liver and his condition, but we are suspecting that he might have to do surgery in March. So this is what's up. Uncle Kisi Doolittle writes again back to Ofori-Atta that he is giving Ofori-Atta deadline of 10 February to come back to Ghana here. Otherwise, he will use everything means possible to bring him by force. Now, Kisi Doolittle, who does he think he is? Who does Kisi Doolittle think he is? Wow, we have so many people on the live and 172 people watching from here and more than 2,000 people watching us from the FYP. That's very good. Our message is going far. Who does Kisi Doolittle think he is? If Kisi Jaben has issues with his colon, I'll not tell you what colon is. Will he leave hospital and come and say that he has interview with Kisi Doolittle? Somebody had liver transplant, matter of life and death. The hospital writes to you to notify you that the person is not chilling. No. And yes, or Miami, it says Sami Miami. Or Chile. He should leave and come to Ghana and come and answer to you, Kisi Doolittle. The question we are asking Kisi Doolittle is that, look, when you wanted to interview John Mohammed's brother and he was delaying, you took a plane from Ghana, went to UK, and went to interview him there. If you are looking for Ofori-Atta, he says he cannot come to the nation. He cannot come because he's sick. What prevents you from taking a plane, going to US where he is, and going to interview him there? And you come and organize a press conference and you declare him a fugitive. As I said, I might not agree with everything Ofori-Atta does or did. But you see, if this is how we treat people who have served this nation, we are scaring people away. We are scaring good people away. Because people like our former Minister of Education, what is his name? The Bosonchwe MP. Oh, his name just escaped me. Oh, can someone remind me of his name? Our gone Minister of Education, the Bosonchwe MP. Oh, the name just escaped me. Educhum, thank you very much. Yes, thank you. Someone like that. He was doing well in US. Very, very, very well in US. He has to leave that to come and be taking 15,000 cedis every month. Why? Because of the love for Ghana. But if this is how we'll be treating people who have served this nation, do you think tomorrow somebody will leave US, leave Canada, leave France, leave UK, leave Switzerland, leave Sweden, Norway, Denmark, Finland, Australia, and come down here and you come to serve Ghana? People won't come. People will not come. Because we do not honor our heroes. We do not honor people who sacrifice for this nation. All because of politics. Kisi Jaben holds a press conference and dares call a whole former finance minister a fugitive. Meanwhile, when the person was leaving, he did not even give him a letter or restrict him from traveling. It is sad. And you see something like this, you should not support it because you are NDCO. You should not. These are things that you have to come together and say that, no, it is not right. These are things that you come together and speak about, because it could be anyone. Imagine tomorrow, let's say Okuyeto Ablakwa serves his 4 years, and when NPP comes back to power, he leaves the country lawfully. Then we come and hold a press conference and call him a fugitive. Do you know what we are doing to him? Do you know what we are doing to him? It's sad. And it's a very sad day. I mean, yesterday was a very, very, very sad day for this nation. And we just... Okay, someone said, baby said my time is up. Okay. I'm talking too much. Sorry. Okay, so you can send your request. Let me pick you. Let's have a conversation.